I don't know, Mama Futa Marabuk, something is strong to my face. Mangit. Power. You guys can do all champ. Mvugile kancane ngathi 5 o'clock sawubona nje. Kosi hello hi how are you guys can you all tap the screen and share the Yeah, girl. Song sang my voice call. Okay. Okay, cool. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Kulume ngalokhu vele kwe-TikTok, sikhulume ngitshele siphume la. Kaloku khulunywa indaba zoku-stream, hayi ukuthanda ukukhuluma. Ngaba ngivalelisanga bengeke. Seyizithi 45, 50 something, seyiya kulo 1 hour. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, Nkosi yami? Seyiya ku-1 hour. Abanye abantu ngizobaziba ukudlala na. Mina ngasola. Guys, can you all tap with them? Some I'm meeting. Athi mina ngiyithanda isipinga man. Embiza ubitso.
Lakho
Inhlanhla maramateta inhlanhla ayayaya inhlanhla.
uyayithanda ukwenza izinto ezingekho right phambi kwabantu.
Ngiyenzeni mina?
Sebazongibiza ngenhlanhla.
Nini ngidlala nolwazi uyangitshela ukuthi hey sinini inhlanhla babuza ngithi ubani? Wathi wacula wathi inhlanhla ayi maramateta inhlanhla ayayaya inhlanhla.
You see now, my brother. Let's be this now.
If mina was able to sing ne benyokhipha ingoma ngawo ngithi madoda inhlanhla ayayaya inhlanhla.
Bazongifundisa.
Bese abonhlanhla bonke bazoconta ngisho bona kanti ngisho wena Nkosi yami. Lokhu
Abazi
ngithi
ingoma yami.
inhlanhla ayi madoda. Mara mase ngishuthi music video bese ngibuza the original inhlanhla mara madoda inhlanhla ayayaya.
Ulwazi akurekhodise. Mhlawumbe ingaba yingoma. You never know.
Okay. Ngiyabonga Thando lwethu Mgorose, sawubona njani? Guys, can you all check the screen and share the live? Ngiceda kufika Nkosi yami. Yazi ngiyaqala ukustreama since ekuseni.
Nami.
Emzimba ukhathele.
Yo, ngihambe ngempedeni ngo-12. Ayabhilive ukuthi ngilale ngo-7 lokhu ngisefonini nomngani wami.
Nginibonile. Mina ngiphume ngabo past 1. Ngiceda kudlala. Ngiyabonga Thando Nkosi yami. Thank you so nguwe wedwa. Guys, can you all tap? Mangiphuma ngiyakucheka.
Ngo-7.
Ngibona udlala nomngane wakho waseNigeria wakho.
Bani loyo?
Lobo udlala naye ngabo 1.
Mina. Like ngithanda kakhulu ngibona noma ngeke.
Kubonile Nhlanhla mfethu angeke ungiphikise. Wena ngisengafuna ukukulanda ngikuthi ngibuza ukuthi wena uthe uyorestart mina ngithulele kanti wena la ubusy uyastream.
Bengasibo 1, bekuyoshaya bekubo 12. Ngibonile nami. Mina ngizile ku-live yalwazi ngabo past 12. Ngamnika idonut. Amzwanga ngathi ngiyabonga Nhlanhla.
Ngizwile athi Nhlanhla yazi yena uthini uthi uNhlanhla kalakhe.
Yabo, bese ngilele lapho sengisempedeni. Base mangifika empedeni, umngane wami wangifonela ngo-3 till ngo-7 uyongibhoreke.
Mara at least nakuvukile. Mina ukhuluma ngani serious man?
Business.
Guys, can you check the screen and share the live guys? Ngicela sonke nisebe screen share live. Mari hambe kahle ni business.
Uzohamba in the next 10-15 minutes ne.
Uzohamba.
Uzongilanda sejimini.
Oh nejimini. Akunankinga mntasi.
Nogogo jimayo, nogogo seyintweni la.
I know. Yabo ikhapulu vele jimayo yabo.
Mina nogogo sesiyikhapulu manje ngabe ikhapulu nogogo wami njani? What the hell? Guys, let's go.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live Nkosi yami? Thanda ukuthi ukhohlwane mngani wami. Phela nesilungu siyasho sithi birds of the same feathers, they flock together.
Ngiyayithanda leseyileyo favorite say.
Obvious. You attract what you are mfethu. Kanti wena uzofuna umuntu ongajimi njani manje? Ngeke understand ukuthi wena uzoya ejimini ugcoke imthayi.
Jola mama sel noma jola inhliziyo.
Mara noma ugogo ne angaba isigora ahambe ngathi uthwele igross okusala uNhlanhla ufuna imali.
Ay chipho. Awu ikhona nayo nje. Ngiyadlala.
Ngibona ngawo ukuthi ikhona phela wona uyabonakala ukuthi hayi vele umuntu ophakathi la ukunayo.
Hayi mina ngiyazinakekela ke nedona wazi. Invisible lion will come.
Uzohamba uyophuza netiye kuimthunzi. Ugogo yabethe bambaso mzukulu wami bambaso Mike sawubona.
Ayibo ngiyazikhipha imali yami. Into ngiyazenzela. Ugogo nje ulethe 6-pack kuphela to the relationship akukho kunye.
Hennies. He brings Hennies.
Ngiyazithengela.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, yasibaningi ngani mara akekho thapayo akekho giftayo kugcine ngothando lwethu kuphela mara wayiniso. Luntu inkinga yeni ileyo. Nibona izinto ezingayisizo la ku social media. Ningenele lezo lo niphuza amanzi mina lo. Yabo? Inkomithi ethapha ngaphuza itiye kushisa mphuza amanzi wena. Masimba akho futhi. Yezwa luntu. Masimba akho. Angeke uzongijaji. Waye ngabuza ukuthi mphuza. Wayengabuzi mina angeke ngithi udla ipapa buza mina ukuthi ngiphuzani bese ngiyakutshela umuntu angathi bathi uphuza itiye plus necup futhi nangapha umdala so masimba akho luntu yezwa angijwayele kabi ngiphuza amanzi nawo amanzi enkomithi ethaphe wangijwayele kamasimba akho
kanti thapha wayenzelwa abantwana
baje ngiphuza itiye ngapha ngenkomithi eraba ngathi uyahlanja lo ngaphuza itiye la ngashisa so nangapha itiye angiyithandi Guys, can you
let's
all tap
go.
the screen and share the live? Guys, first keep 20 times so. Inkinga abantu maze besibona singama-content creator bacabanga ukuthi siyahlanya ngizohlanyela phezu kwabo mina ngunyini.
Abazi ukuthi uhlanya uma ufuna uphinde uphoze futhi right. Guys, let's go.
Ngiyabonga Thando ngama-rose nkosi yami. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Nanzwa nomuntu ozongiphaphela emini so ilanga lishisa.
Yo, and the last shisa ilanga. Maka nami nje ngifike ejimini idakwe ilanga insimbi ngiyobe ngingasayiboni bese ngidisa.
Angithi ugogo ukhona uzobe kwenza ukubona ukuthi ungadakwa kakhulu.
Uzongenza kanjani ngoba uguga insimbi zakhe nami ngiguge zami akugugelwana phela insimbi.
Ngiyabonga Thando lwethu ngama-rose.
Guys, let's go.
Wena Luntu ucabanga ukuthi thina singabangani bakho obhema nabo insango? Kanti labangani bakho obhema nabo insango? Sisensangweni la manje sawubona njani? Ngiyabonga Thando ngama-rose. Guys, can you have one rose to activate the speed ne? Guys, umuntu wethu one rose to activate the speed. Thank you Thando, thank you Muntuza. So nguwe wedwa nkosi yami yazini. Yazini. Guys, everyone on the speed.
Thank you so much. Yo, lapho umkhaba nginone. Thank you guys.
You eat a lot of fufu.
Fufu and curry.
Mngani wethu nkosi yami. Thank you Thando. Ngiyathi mina. Thank you Thando lwethu. Unjani mngani wethu wasebeach nkosi yami? Mngani wethu wasebeach. Ukuphi kanti mngani wethu wasebeach ngoba lo uyahamba uzongishiya umngani wasebeach ngiyosala ngiyi-1 la. Thank you. Ngiyabonga nkosi yami Bethuel, ngiyabonga ngeheart me. Ngiyabonga Thando lwethu. Guys, let's all tap. Thank you to everyone.
Connie, my friend.
Thank you Connie. Ngiyabonga nkosi yami. Ngiyabonga kabili Connie lamalanga usangithandisisa. Connie lamalanga usangithandisisa ngakwenzani nkosi yami?
Like isazondlala kancane nangigogo uthumela imessage uthi usacabuza abanye abazukulu uyeza.
All right. And engabe eqinisini.
Vele. Morning Dolly, how are you?
Engabe eqinisile ugogo. Guys, can you all tap ne? Bethuel, thank you. Unjani Bethuel? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share? Guys, akekho umuntu oyi-1 ongangifakela ama-donald ayi-8 netha khanya nje 8 yama-donalds noma 3 ye-10 mustache 4 handati iningane yabo into ezifana nalezo. Guys, can you all tap? Bathi mina ngibuthanda utshwala bona buthanda mina.
Guys, let's go. Dolly, how you doing?
Nase ngibonga ngoba wena usasenayo ugogo. Abanye ogogo abasabafuna abazulu.
Hayi mina ke lo amgogo kakayindawo sohlukaniswa.
The Viper, Randy Orton, the Viper of the Vipers, the Randy Orton, the Viper. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, we are losing. Guys, can you try to snipe this game together? Guys, we are losing. Nayazi nokuzibuza why ngidliwa kangaka nginabangani. Awu Randy Orton uyangihleka bhuta.
Guys,
hi Burebu. Guys, can you snipe this game together? Thank you, Ida Rose. Guys, we are only 15 seconds left. Let's snipe this game together. Hey, abo Randy basihleka nkosi yami. Guys, can you snipe nkosi yami noma ngefinger athi nyana?
Sonny, my friend, are you here? Please snipe with a lion.
Sawina nkosi yami. Thank you nkosi yami. Ngiyabonga nkosi yami. Hey, sawina nkosi yami ngama-tips ngenhlanhla nkosi yami. Hey, ngiyabonga. Guys, thank you to everyone. Thando lothi ngiyabonga. Kabini ngiyabonga. Bethuel ngiyabonga. Thanks to everyone who contributed guys ne. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Noma ningangigift ngiyabonga bangani bami. The Viper ngihleke kanjalo Randy Orton. Ngizokubiza ngo Randy Orton ngoba ngathi the Viper yabo ngizophakamisa indlebe eziningi ngizokubiza ngoRandy mina ngwana Randy O10.
Guys, let's double tap, please.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live ne? Hawu ngizawuthini the Viper mfethu phela umntu the Viper ebengimjwayele yabo uRandy mara akunankinga ngizoqhubeka ngikubize ngo the Viper yabo. Guys, can you all tap the screen? Guys, first gift 20 times 2. Guys, any first gift 20 doubles. Bathi mina ngikuthanda utshwala mani mina ngithanda wena. Mina ngisithanda isipenza mani sona sithanda mina. Guys, ongena seven screen sharing live bangani bama bahle.
Yo, everyone, guys, ngadla since morning.
Siyafana namangali.
Angithembi.
Njani manje ungangithembi?
Hayi.
Yini? Angali. Kanti umbona ngislender so count is natural. It's because I'm not eating.
There's full piece on your lips there.
Hawa, yangisukela.
I'm telling you.
Actually,
Like when uyabonakala ukuthi uthanda ukudla and udla kakhulu. Wilela and ezidla kakhulu. Like uyabonakala. Can't even hide it.
Yes, me I love food to shame. Yabo. Because I don't have anything to diet for. What am I dieting for? Because I'm thin already. I'm slender. You see. I don't have to diet. I don't have to go to gym. You see. Everything is not cindering me. I don't have ways. Something is popping out. Something is not popping out. You see. Eh?
Everything is sitting where it's supposed to sit.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed?
Guys, let's go.
Nalabangani bami lapha ngicabanga ukuthi ngibashiye bonke nyofuna abangani abasha baseChina.
Bathengisa le account bashiye nomuntu omusha oqalela phansi.
Ngishiya uChina uzoposta ama-laptop nama-computer. Ngithengisela my friend ozoposta ama-laptop gara bashara 350 my friend.
Laptop imini yonke.
Thank you Qama. Thank you Qama first time gift ngero. Mausathi la Costa uzoqhwaba la shondora nchile my sister I help you. Yeah. Ubone ngu-live u-request ubone sokumbhuto nentshebe ezingaka wendiya nkosi yami. Let's tap the screen, everybody follow my sister, my brother. Thank you for the rose. Guys. Let's all tap the screen, guys. Anyone with a Donald?
Uhamba ungavalelisanga lakho nyamalanga.
Jamu uhambe kahle ngiye kuphi mfethu? Oh hayi.
Guys, let's
uhamba kahle Jama. Inkinga ubhale kabi uhamba kahle Jama. Akukho kuthena uhamba kahle. Guys, let's everyone tap the screen, taps and donuts, taps and roses, guys. Everything. Taps and handle, taps and hair and mustache, taps and money gun, dubura everyone there. Tap. Guys, let's all tap the screen.
Hi, how are you?
Bathi mina ngiyamthanda utshwala. Bona ngithanda. It's life, I guess. Hey, into zami nje nhlanhlo. Wabona uhlekiswe ukuthi ubroke awunayo ngisho isente emdaka.
That's not good. Abangani bakhaba abakushayi ngama e-wallets lapho. Abotsekele kabangani babo baba. Melo ethi ngathi awuphilanga.
Let me tell you Nhlanhla, mina I don't have friends.
Inkinga nawe right. Melo ethi ngathi awuphilanga kahle. Uyenza into ezinathi ungqolo mbasha. Uzobona every day.
Hayi phela ngihlale ngagezi ngama 200 wabo mina.
Abantu bala TikTok ke that's the only way bazokusupport.
Kumele ngama 200 ingagezi. Mina ngizokutshela Nhlanhla mina I don't have friends ne. Nginabantu nje abathanda what I do. I don't have friends. Ungababuza nabo bakhona. Guys ngabangani bami nina I don't have friends. Nginabantu abathanda into engiyenzayo. They can't call me their friend. I'm not their friend. Umngane abangafuni nokumthephela iscreen abangamgive they call me I'm not anyone. I don't have friends. Umngane wami intombi yami phela imama. Umfazi wami kuphela she's the only friend I have.
Can you please light up roses and donuts? Wait, I share the gallery. King, I slept late, you know. I slept early yesterday. Sungboy gallery yakho like.
Light ama-rose kuphela.
Yeah, sayifanele. Iyamayilayithanga next.
Mina I know mfethu noma ngeke ngayilayite next namhlanje. Mara iviki imali ithi ukuthi cela ukuthi.
Malitsheka liyotsheka nawo.
Litsheka nami. Litsheka nami nge-10/15. Or 12/15 all lithi njengani. Ayithi benikubo all lithi nabo lwazi.
Ulwazi beka ku all lithi. Ngamayuni nama-lion.
Konke baka all lithi konke.
Namang.
Serious ulwazi beka all lithi kule garada yakhe bedlu refreshe izolo. Nawe bo all lithi angithi. Yeah, nonke beniflyer namajethi nisigijimisa ngama-lion kitten bekunzima.
Hayi futhi ama-VO bewasebenza-ke kule viki elidlulile.
Angithi benifaka ama-ring light ukuthi kwenzela ukuthi abe clear. Benifaka ama-ring light.
Yonke into beyivela kahle, bekungekho into engavelanga. Thank you so much. Guys, let's go, please. King, awufuna ukuba i-sponsor sami this week okushaya ngama-VO viki lonke ungilayithela igala. Yeah, King. Awakhe. Guys, let's go.
So
Don't welcome.
izosithanda mina. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share it? Guys, we are not even tapping the screen. Yabona nhlanhla itembe ngitshela ngayo. Ngolokhu busy my friends. Solo ngihleli ku-9 sorry game iqalile.
Thank you, Olorato. I'm sleeping alone and my hand is broken. I can't use the VOs. Oh, King. King, you'll use the heart. You'll use the mind. You don't need to use the hands. How?
Yeah, you must
Guys,
use
let's
the hands.
go.
Uqinisile uking.
No, uthi yena isandla sakhe siphukile, so he can't use it. Uzosebenzisa ingqondo. Nengqondo yodwa iyasebenza yazi. Yeah, Olorato, we are taking them. I need to release the lion with the hand. No, Kingi. You can release the lion with the elbow. Press like this. Thank you, Olorato.
Network yami ineglitch mngani wami.
Shame.
Solo ngihleli ku-9 or sokuyiglitch ngiyabonga phila sande mngani wami. So nguwe wedwa Nkosi yami nyadliwa. Guys nyadliwa. Guys bazothatha le phone yami.
And the first there.
Khuleka noma ungayithatha that's fine.
Guys, let's go.
Glitch. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, we are losing.
Olorato, thank you.
Yeah.
King, you are on what? See now. Elixir is not that expensive. Especially if sebaglayithele
ngiyabonga phila sande mngani wami so nguwe wedwa Nkosi yami. Guys siyadliwa akekho no-Donald Hendat or something. Bazothatha le phone sibuyele kuzimo.
Bakulayithela i-diving whale usuqedile wena ngegalari yakho.
Cabanga. Nami ngeza ngizomlayitela ubani lo?
King.
Oh,
Bakulayithela yonke le galari yakho nje once.
Ngayilayitha ngisebuthongweni ngivala amehlo. Khwa.
Igalari yakho siyayihluphi King. I think it's even less than 10,000 or this 10,000. Let me see.
Cabanga izolo after live ngithi ngisendela omnye umngani wami i-Hetten Mustache kanti nyale vela apha Nkosi yami.
Wow, that's nice.
Serious ngiceda kumshangethe ezimathathu kuvele ukuthi blue ivele ithi level 21 ngathi hawu kanti bengilevel apha anginaki nokunaka mina ngisenandaba nakho lo. Guys ngicela ningisniphele le game guys nina ninjani kanti akusekhona onedonate oriyendayo.
King igallery yakhe ihamba kubo 7K yonke. So I see King. Olerato, thank you.
Mthetho ungamlayitela wona 2 weeks izilandelana.
Every day ngilayithe kabusha.
Uyiqale phansi ubone ngathi ayilayitanga kahle. 5 finger heart.
Thank you Olerato, thank you so much. Ngakulayithela every day igallery yakho every time bengifika siqalele phansi.
Guys ngiyabonga for tapping the screen wangani mama.
Thank you so much, Olerato. Guys, let's start with him. Thank you for the call.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Igallery serious yaku-B naku-A. Yabo lapho ke kudingeka ujime nyana.
Mina ngantshela ngathi mina nizotatazela niye kubo A ne. U-A angimfuni. Right nguB so. A nala mphethwe stress mina. Say 48,000 just to save a fragment. 48,000 coins to save a fragment. Masimba lawo.
Now ask someone your lights mine, please. What these 2, 3, 4. Igallery yaku-D, I think like 500. Guys, let's go.
Ngiyabonga phila Sande mngani wami so nguwe wedwa nkosi. Abantu abafuna ukutap screen. Bangidlisa ngamabomu, dlisa ngamabomu.
Igallery yaku-D, I think like 500. Mithumbo. Oh, I'm a kiss I5. Kwenzalani? My hand has I6, 1.6, 1.7.
2,000.
I think that's 2,000.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Okay, Magumbuga, so it's in light mine, please. When are you lighting my own? You see, mine is on 0. I'm smelling no rose. You know, you light 1.7 above 1.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? You know? Guys, umuntu oyedwa rose best vulele speed. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, anina team. Nangapha lazi mbaphathela icontent emnandi njani njengoba bengafuni ukutap screen. Abazi. Hayi abazi next. Abafuni ukutap, abafuni ukwenzani next yazini. Mina it's not like that. Let me tell you something ne. And le iqiniso ne. It's not like ukuthi abafuni ukutap screen abafuni ukugift. Kunala abathepa khona. Kunala abagifta khona. Hayi thina nje bandlula batheza mina.
Yabo behle la besuka la uyoshiya universe ngale next door.
Manje
ebona indlula to a King Center University so
bonke banjalo Nhlanhlo banjalo.
Sengibajwayele nami.
Bonke banjalo. Kunala abagifta khona. Yabo.
Guys, let's go.
Nhlanhlo ngizofaka i-green screen ufuna ungena endlini encane mara ungawari ngematch khona umuntu ozoyi-accept. King noma ungeza kimi mina ngeke ngunake King ngubonile usuka kuNhlanhla mina ngisiyintswela boya musi.
King ngiyadlala ngiyamtsho King.
Inkinga ileyo lungelo. Nina manje ishimani nibona umuntu astreama nentombazana senithi bayathandana ubambile ngibambe yini. Hey. Nana bangana abayishimani Nkosi yami. Abayishimani.
Namaphara wabangani.
Yo Nkosi yami. Bathi mina ngiyasithanda isipinza mani zona sithanda mina. Isesithanda mina. Sifela ithombe mfaka isipuni. Athi mina ngisithanda isipinza mani.
Guys, let's go.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
You're talking about King angazi. Thank you, King, for the rose. Thank you, King.
Never be fake it. Serious.
Nakho uyadelela. Thank you, King. Thank you so much, King. How
Serious.
are you?
Nangazi TikTok King laba bese.
UTikTok King phela uLord, labanye bangaphasi kwakhe. Why would be fake?
Wa. We fake. King ohlula ufaka ngisho iDonald. Umbize ngeking. King ehlula ufaka. Guys, can you snipe this game, guys? Can you snipe this game?
King Mula ezwa ukuthi bathi awusi King awukhona ukufaka i-loan, i-donate. Drink water and mind your own business.
Hayi
How
ma.
are you?
Oh, Mount King Muleres hayi ipoza yami ke leyo. Mount King Muleres ale ipoza yami ngithi mhlawumbe usho omunye uKing. Hayi.
Uthe i-fake King ingana-donuts. Usuyajika manje.
Hayi phela sokuya ukuthi ubani. Guys ngiyabonga for tipping this thing.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, King. Thank you guys for the tips.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Let's all tap ningidlisile bangani bami. Ningidlisile.
King, the other King, tell like roses. Can I have 10, 30 straight roses? Like straight roses, the 1 coins, not the rosa. Alright. Yes, please, you can. How are you doing? Oh my god. It's been a while. Where are we? What do you mean, where are we? Thank you so much. Thank you, Drinkwater. I actually need 30 roses, not 3. Please add 0. How are you doing? But I did say please. Oh, okay. I'm sorry then. Drink water and mind your business. Can you please send me 30 roses? Thank you so much. Thank you, King. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for the roses. Yeah, the roses are lit up. Thank you so much. Thank you, Drink water. Thank you, King. Thank you, guys. Mr. Wonder, welcome. Thank you so much, King, for the perfume. Guys, let's go 3 times 2. Oh, thank you so much. Drink water and mind my business. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Drink water. Thank you. Debu Han. Love you more. Guys, let's keep on typing, please. Thank you, King, for the tips. Ponchis, why are you flying in and out? Are you following me again? What's happening? Oh, wow. You have close to 1 million followers, Debu. Wow. And you never told me. Thank you so much for the heart me. Mr. McMahon, thank you for the tips. Yo, sorry guys. Ah, excuse me. Guys, let's go. Your account is back. Where was your account? What happened to it? Mr. McMahon, thank you for the tips. How are you doing? Yo, so how did you get it? What did you do? Yo, and you had to pay them, obviously. Yo, sorry, but at least you got it. Thank you so much. Drink water and mind my business. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the tips. Thank you, King. Laco, accept. Guys, let's double tap, please.
Time to speed, man. Wait.
Guys, please give time 3. I'm not really feeling myself today.
Guys, can you all tap? Sengibuyile Nhlanhlo.
Okay, Laco. Guys, let's go.
Guys, can you all
Give
tap
them
the screen and share? Mntwana.
Oh, thank you so much, Drink Water. Thank you for the roses. Guys, let's go. Thank you, King. Thank you so
Guys,
much,
can you all
Drink
tap the
Water.
screen? Guys, abantu bami bathepha sengikhona. Enhlanhlo awungitshele nkosi yami, uthe ibhizinisi PayPal uyivula njani or uyitshentsha soyivulile?
The bag boosts are options. So the personal or business, you choose business. Thank you so much, Drink Water.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? Mpeshi sawubona unjani? Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed? Can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Thank you so much for the roses.
Just many vulenge 063. Nayo angithi nayo le number le ela melifane naleyo ele ozobusa khona.
Guys, let's go to
So
times
number 1. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Ntando sawubona. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Guys, let's go, please, my people. Thank you, King. Guys, let's use the speed, please. Thank you so much, Drink Water. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, let's keep on going.
Benginali mina. Yonke into engiyifunayo semele ngicele ngathi ngingane encane. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap. Guys, we are losing.
Thank you so much for the hearts, me, Drink Water.
King lawyer
How's
yakho
your day
ngapha.
going? Drink water.
Una ne pocket man.
Guys, how's your day going? I'm about to go to the gym soon,
Ngijwayela
soon, soon.
sekubuyele kathi ngisahlala ngingasebenzi sisahlala kabukhulu.
Guys, let's go.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, we are losing.
Okay. What time are you knocking off? Are you
So
doing
what?
12 hours? Are you doing 12 hours or 8 hours shift? Guys, let's double tap, please. Say welcome to Soheim. Deborah, welcome. Oh, at least you knock off early. You can
When's
still
that?
go for it. Cobra, welcome.
Unganilanda khona uyanilanda so.
I used to work at 8 hours, a 12 hours shift, 8 to 8. Yo, that was the worst shift ever.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
You spend your whole day and nights at work matching.
Sometimes I ask her. Very perfect.
Guys, let's go. Let's double tap, please.
Guys, can you all tap uhle? Omuhle ka Christy sawubona njani?
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, drink water and mind your business. Thank you, King. Thank you so much, guys, for the tips.
Wakusiyo le mhlambe uyakuvela kune something. Ungawari msayo, don't worry. Ngiyazi ukuthi amalanga awafani bhuti wami angihlali nama coins every day. Yabona nathi asinamali, akekho umuntu ongahlala nemali. Yabo khuleka bhuti wami. Lo wena ukhona nje la utap screen angajabula kakhulu.
Guys, let's go to times 2, please.
I should send them my details. When we are this, so you're correct.
Guys, let's go to times 2, please.
After 1 week or 2 weeks, we call up as a
We collect.
Guys, let's start with also.
Like 2. And you should young and on social media.
Msayoni bhuti wami ngiyabonga Nkosi yami ngeDonald. Nkosi yami ngiyaqala ukuthola iDonald.
Personal business.
Bese okay, asithiwa kukhona mhlawumbe into omele ufike uyenze le.
Oh, drink water and mind your business. Congratulations on your level 6 in-house.
Phela maye ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi akwenze konke lokho. Angakwenza.
Khona nokulithumela. Mhlawumbe umuntu yabe singafuna ukuyombona namashayitha kanankinga ngokuthi abantu bambone ngoba kudala yenza lo.
Yabo, sengisho khona lokho ukuthi kumele ukubuze unamadubu ukuthi uthumele.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Thank you for the water.
Ngivula into
Guys,
zami.
can you have one rose? Let's see.
Uzozenza khona 2 minutes.
Avula ibhizinisi. Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? Guys, anyone with a rose? Guys, you are losing. Wacela uMadoda. Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? Guys, can you have one rose?
Let's go with the times 2, guys, please.
Wakhuluma ngakho la ngale.
Don't compromise, baby.
Young Vezela Vel.
Guys, can we go with the times?
Press 1.
Thank you so much. How are you doing?
Guys, can we
Thank you
all
so
tap the
much.
screen?
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I'm born.
Let's double tap, guys.
That's all I got. Kura malang. Beng ko na beng live kita mapapahamba so. Sangap. Ay, nung
welcome.
Guys, can we all tap puhle? Safika umuntu ewanafaka ifama. Safika umuntu ewanafaka imani kansi sniper game kuswaba intombazana.
No, you think my people will allow you to snipe? Guys, let's go, please.
Can you know G12? Well, lala bekula na mama.
Guys, thank you for the text.
Awapumanga. That's his story.
Thank you so much for the text.
Tanto masengushaya sokufika abangani bama ba right ne ungakhali.
You want me to you.
I want.
I'm untouchable today, don't you see? Thank you.
Guys, can you all say puhle? Oh no.
Thank you so much.
Guys, can you all say thank
you guys for the tips. Let's go.
Silent.
Nakutshela mfethu yabona mina umagogo ngihambisana naye mfethu kokunye mina like uzobona uzobuya ungitshela.
Guys, please tap the screen.
Magogo yangichaza mina akayenza amana yamukela uDoti yaqinisa shingirai jo ndozoyithe mudzimba wagogo Liza kabe bagogo babuto ndehlise ngabe wambiza kudala aqina khona le khona lemkopani no Zulu. Guys, can you all tap first gift 20 times who?
Thank you so much, Drink Water. Thank you. Guys, let's go. Put to welcome. Tabo, thank you for the tips.
Angichaza umuntu decision ayithathayo uyayisupport. Yabo ukuthi ayifile le bhodo lelaliphekile ukuthi how does it feel yabo.
Thank you so much, Drink Water.
Angichaza phela mamakoti bangathi bathanda usafika. Bese kuye. Phela nawe ngithi sokukhululeka ugcina uveza nama-true colors nyana abangawathandi.
Tabo, thank you for the text. Guys, let's go.
Ngisazoba inkinga mina indaba ezine culture yethu ziyangibhora yabo. Like ukuze kuphume ifamily indaba zakho kusuke zilinkwe yilabo bomndeni wami. Sigcine sesigcwele.
Guys, let's double tap, please. Let's go.
Better
rolls.
Yeah, besides ukuba angithi phela manje uthothi usahlala njengawuso njengami nawe sihlala le yabo.
Thank you.
Wena yabuzenza ungaboni ukuthi yabo kanti kwabanye ziyabathena off. Yabo. Thothi mhlawumbe uthi asocedile ucleaner uthi ngebhizi wefoni thothi uyahleka hle. Uhlala busy ngefoni ahleka kwekho into ayenzayo.
Guys, let's go.
Skeke tswaning tepheli screen ngu3 akekho noyi1 othephayo.
Guys, let's go to times 2, please.
Ari tetera kahluphi kangaka because yakutetera hayi yeah sengisho ukuthi wona hayi phela mfethu yabona utetera khona ngiyambona akahluphi. Guys, you are not even tapping the screen for me. Nenza njani ngoba bafuna hambe nyolala.
Guys, let's go to times 2. Guys, I'm about to go soon. Please say your goodbyes. Give it to me for the last time. Thank you so much for
Jayeleni ngititira na chayisana ngingazi. Navela ngeke ngingene indaba yona.
I'm too wrong.
Guys, can you all tap uhle? Nonto sawubona.
Guys, let's double tap. Let's go.
Sekungana oyi1 serious guys, snipe in the game very fast. Fast like a rocket with snipe. Man obengambhaza
mara. Hi, how are you? Guys, let's double tap, please.
Ay, pagi putsu man, maningi. Pagi putsu man. Guys, can you all tap the screen? Pagi putsu man.
Drink water. How is the weather that side? Oh, we are dying of heat here in South Africa. How's the weather on your side?
Nintipahla zamapantsulo.
So that is orange.
Ay, noma yini mfethu. Mina solanga ivice lapho nensipho ngisula ubuso kuphela. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Yazi abantu bathepa mara amathepa wama-account. What's wrong?
Oh, lucky you. It's very hot here. It's super hot.
Hey, ngiyachaza mase nikhuluma isilungu esiphuma ngamakhala. Suke sokufika igift ake.
It was also raining last night. It's been raining here on and off.
Ngiyachaza nonke ninjalo vele. Khona umngane wami, let's go with you. Sawitsuwi. Hey.
Let me check if it's gonna rain today.
Angeke urain emtshela lini namhlanje.
Are you sure? Yes, guys, I have to go now. My transport is here.
Ithatha isikhathi. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Nalabangani laba. Ngizobathengisela wena. Nhlanhla ubafuni?
No, thank you.
Ngishaye ngesolid ngikuthengisela account yami.
Oh, yeah. Drink water. Guys, I'm going, Lucky. I'll see you later. My transport is...
Bye. Umbulisele kugogo nkosi yami. Ungicabuzele ugogo nkosi yami. Ngiyacela chef. Ungicabuzele ugogo chef.
I will.
Ungicabuzele ugogo chef. Umshaye ngaleya nkosi yami leya yabo.
Hi, Lucky. Bye-bye.
Ucabuza ugogo nkosi yami mawufika. Umtshela uthi gogo mfethu, this one is not for me, it's coming from my friend.
Bye.
I know I'm going to restart. My network is fucked up. No, I'm going